ahead and get started and start by doing some introductions. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Aaron LeBeau, Senior Manager of Business Development with Dextara Datamatics. For those who don't know us, we are a Salesforce consulting organization. We are a Salesforce Summit level partner, and we are certified through Salesforce to implement solutions ranging everything from Sales Cloud to service, marketing, and now the big emphasis and big push from Salesforce is AI. So we have created a webinar series titled Unleash Salesforce for Your Enterprise. It's a 4-part series, and today we're going to be getting into the first part, all around kind of kickstarting your journey with Salesforce AI. So before we get into the presentation and the content, I'll go ahead and introduce our speakers. So with me today is Josh Packer. Josh is our Director of Technology here at Dextara. He has been working in the Salesforce ecosystem for over 10 years. I hope I'm not selling you short, Josh, and has helped companies large and small across the US, implement Salesforce and provide solutions that really transform them from a digital transformation standpoint. And then along with Josh is Garrett Brucker. Garrett is our Vice President of Customer Success. He personally leads our delivery team and ensures that every customer we're working with has an excellent experience, a customer experience, and also really generating the business outcomes that they hope to get leveraging Salesforce and a consulting partner. So with that, we're going to get into the content now. So first of all, I'm going to quickly move my slide here. So here's the 4-part webinar series I was talking about. Today, we're focused on kickstarting your AI journey on Salesforce to drive growth and innovation. So for some people, AI might be brand new to you. Some people, you might have already been studying up on AI, using ChatGPT, getting hands-on with some cool AI features, maybe even in Salesforce. So some of this is meant to be foundational kind of knowledge, right? And then also helping kind of lay the groundwork for how to approach AI from a practical standpoint and how to apply it in your business. So that's what we're going to be focused on today. Future series will include a little further deep dive into the technical around leveraging AI for sales. Later in December, our 3rd series will be all around leveraging AI for your customer service processes. And then 4th part in our series is continuing to create a foundation for adopting AI within Salesforce and expanding that use. So I will hand it off to our first speaker, which is going to be Josh. If anyone has a question throughout the webinar, please feel free to pop a question in. We have that Q&A box down at the bottom in your toolbar. Feel free to open that Q&A box. If you have any questions, put that in, and then towards the end of the presentation, we'll get into all the Q&As, the questions that come in. So that's all from me. Josh, I'll go ahead and hand it off to you. Oh, and you're muted, Josh.
Thank you. Thank you. It's great to be with you guys today. Excited to talk about the wonderful world of AI, and particularly AI in Salesforce with you guys today. We're going to get into a lot of the specifics in future webinars and stuff. I want to just kind of lay the foundation and cover some of the key concepts relating to AI. Talk a little bit here about machine learning. This is what a lot of people think of when they think of different systems of artificial intelligence. This has to do with algorithms and large data models and these algorithms that learn from the data and continuously grow and expand and there's examples within Salesforce of like prediction builder and case classification and multiple different features of sales and service and marketing AI, basically that take advantage of machine learning, learning from your data to prompt or to help your agents or your salespeople to become more effective and efficient. Um, Additional use cases outside of Salesforce with machine learning, have to do with fraud detection or customer segmentation, medical diagnosis, anomaly detection, just a handful of things there from learning from large data sets and allowing the algorithm to continuously grow and progress. Second, we want to talk about natural language processing, which is essentially kind of the way that we interact with the computer, right? This is, historically you've had to code to be able to interact with computers and tell it what to do, but more and more we're getting natural language where they understand the natural language. Got from code to voice, we got voice interaction. If you think of Siri or Alexa or something like that, you realize too that as those first came out years ago, you've seen improvements in natural language processing and computers and models basically getting much better at understanding people the way we naturally speak. And Salesforce has taken advantage of a lot of that, and we see enhancements and we see things happening within Agent Force that is taking this kind of to the next level and really excited about that. Um, third kind of concept is computer vision. And this is, if you think of things like image classification or facial recognition or optical character recognition, the computer reading a document and actually, recognizing and translating the image into actual text or that kind of stuff, or even, some really great examples of this are, you put, the three of these together and multiple different inputs, and you get things like self-driving cars like Waymo or like what Tesla's doing right now. And it's amazing what's coming out of kind of building on these core concepts and combining them in new and innovative ways. And just really exciting to see what's happening here and what we can do here in the future, what we can expect to see. So let's go ahead and bump to the next slide there, Aaron, and want to talk specifically too about kind of different categories or capabilities of AI. So we've got predictive AI, which again kind of goes on that machine learning. It predictive AI in the sense of Salesforce is taking a look at historical data and making predictions of something like case classification or prediction builder, that kind of stuff, where you've got a lot of historical data. We can, essentially train the model or train the agent on existing data and have it analyze, and based on what's happened in the past and based on what it learns from, closed cases or historical opportunities or whatever, we can predict the likelihood of closing of a new opportunity, or you know specific fields to classify a case, or different types of things like that.